What is the sub rated at?
3K RMS, 6K max, and 12K per.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing? What's your name, man?
Pretty good, man. Vinny.
Vinny. Okay. So could you give me a rundown of your equipment real quick?
Pioneer MVH 1400 head unit, Teramps 8K with an extra battery, and a Avatar STU 1546 3K RMS.
Okay. Did you build the box?
That man did right there.
You did?
Yep.
Okay.
It's actually a box it was for his 18, and we converted it to for my 15. So.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the specs of it? Tuning or anything?
It peaks at 28 hertz.
28. Wow. Yeah. So the lows.
Yeah. It's low.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can I see the back?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. What was your name?
Vinny.
Vinny. Jacob. All right. Nice to meet you, Vinny.
Nice to meet you too, man.
All right. Wow. What is the sub rated at?
3K RMS, 6K max, and 12K per.
12K burp? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
If it was nighttime, you'd be able to see the LEDs in there, but you know.
Yes, sir. All right. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
All right.
Let's hear it.
I press up against you, then you jump.
Awesome, dude. Dude, it does like the lows, for sure. You could definitely tell, at least in the 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah, really well.
Yep. 30s are good too. 30, 32. Once you get up to like 35, it starts.
Okay. Slipping off.
Yep. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.